මේ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් ඔයාට එදිනෙදා භාවිතයට අත්‍යවශ්‍ය වන ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන 250කට අධික ප්‍රමාණයක් ඒව ප්‍රනවුන්ස් කරන විදිහ සිංහල අර්ථයද සහිතව ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා. Manager, assistant, receptionist, employee, employer, lecture, lecturer, faculty, dean, university, harmony, magnificent, impressive, ecstasy, elixir, horrendous, holy, horizon, hope, humongous, daily, weekly, monthly, annually, calendar, astrology, astronomy, astronaut, space, galaxy, prisoner, prison, prison cell, verdict, crime, appeal, adjournment, bail, evidence, arrest, petition, rally, protest, strike, hunger strike, plot, riot, lawful, unlawful, plea, fragrant, feud, frustration, faithful, felony, malevolent, meadow, myth, tedious, envy, assassin, assassination, ideal, unanimous, hectic, prepare, tremble, reverse, audience, observe, authentic, culinary, cutlery, salty, sugary, contribution, appreciate, generate, invention, innovate, convention, contradiction, coincidence, coherent, curiosity, energetic, hilarious, attractive, radiant, graceful, diarrhea, stroke, nausea, migraine, pneumonia, chamber, stimulate, stabilize, capacity, cost, dignity, surrender, reality, perception, feeling, coach, stadium, sport, sportsmanship, team spirit, celebration, sweet meats, hallmark, traditional, prosperity, judicious, trustworthy, sabotage, obligation, request, inadvisable, advisable, innocent, victim, vigorous, vivid, vague, venomous, revive, revolution, candle, cotton, candy, crash, caterer, disciplined, indisciplined, rational, irrational, equality, inhale, exhale, stamina, momentum, conserve, emission, reduction, temperature, humidity, air quality, renewable, energy, solar panel, solar plant, construction, depend, dependent, provider, partner, protection, offense, obsession, obscene, obsolete, intervene, clever, stain, ominous, shock, measure, height, width, weight, perimeter, volume, anarchy, headline, bully, pavement, glossary, certain, uncertain, reconciliation, crowd, sanitary, district, province, mayor, council, municipal council, antique, historical, ruins, kingdom, monument, summon, souvenir, summary, summer, seabed, singer, song, concert, band, stage, absence, access, abnormal, accent, absolutely, willingness, accommodation, announcement, anniversary, application, architect, architecture, arrival, attempt, attraction, applause, artist, assistant, agent, article. ඉතින් ඔයා මේ වචන ලැයිස්තුවෙන් දවසකට වචන 5ක් වගේ ප්‍රමාණයක් පාඩම් කරගත්තොත් ඔයා නොදැනුවත්වම ඊටාම කෙටි කාලයකදී ඔයාට විශාල වචන ප්‍රමාණයක් ඉගෙන ගන්න හැකියාව ලැබෙනවා.
මේ වගේ තවත් වීඩියෝ නරඹන්න අදම ඉංග්‍රීසි ගුරු channel එක subscribe කරන්න.